Smart cities and digital twins have been discussed in many different forms with a lot of different definitions as to what they are. This is an attempt to try to organize what a smart city anatomy might include, governance, business networks, all the way down through to the energy and the assets of a smart city. Let's take a look, first of all, at the physical assets. If we look at the assets, there's a lot of things that are in the city that are required to include transportation, traffic, complex geography, and so on. There's also physical networks that are involved. A lot of different things that are perhaps considered assets, but also they're part of a physical network. Uh, those things need to be included in a smart city. And of course, the people, whether or not we're talking about their habits, their foot traffic, or what happens in rush hours and moments of panic. Continuing, there's other things that we need to look at, such as businesses. This is where the money is regarding the banks and accounting and all the other types of things that are going on from a business standpoint. Healthcare, all of the intricacies of the different healthcare systems, the educational systems, government services, and then, of course, the information systems such as streetlights or cameras, crime monitoring, and so on. But once we're looking at all of these different things in the smart city, we realize that there's a couple assets that we need to consider. First of all, features. Okay, these are the different things that need to be done to be able to manage a anatomy of a smart city, reality capture, simulation, crowd management. So, just to mention a few. Stakeholders. This is where the money is coming from. The businesses, the government, the people themselves, the ecological responsibility, and of course, optimizing resources. To accomplish this, a consortium has come to mind with different players performing different tasks. And there'll be a number of partners, and each of these partners will be able to handle some part of this, but the important part is that we're working together. This is a brief idea of what might be a smart city consortium and what is the anatomy of a smart city. Thank you, McAndrew.